Hi, incredible parents and caregivers. Welcome back to Healthy Baby Happy Mama, your go-to space for nurturing happy, healthy families. Today, we're diving into a topic that touches every parent's heart and often sparks a million questions. What should my amazing 2-year-old eat to stay healthy, active, and bursting with joy? It's a journey, and you're doing wonderfully. By the end of this video, you won't just have a list of ideas, you'll feel empowered with practical parenting advice, smart meal planning strategies, and a treasure trove of simple, baby-approved recipes. We're here to make mealtime a delightful adventure, not a daily dilemma. Let's nourish those precious little ones together. At 2 years old, your little one is a whirlwind of growth and discovery. Their tiny bodies are developing at an astonishing rate, bones are strengthening, brains are making incredible connections, and their immune system is constantly learning. Providing the right fuel is absolutely crucial for supporting this amazing development. A balanced diet for your toddler isn't just about filling their tummies, it's about giving them the building blocks for a lifetime of health. Think of it as laying a strong foundation for their future energy, learning, and overall well-being. Every bite counts in their incredible journey. Let's break down the key players in their diet. Carbohydrates are their primary energy source, powering their endless curiosity and play. Think whole grains like oats, brown rice, and sweet potatoes to keep them going strong all day. These complex carbs offer sustained energy, avoiding those sudden sugar crashes. Protein is essential for muscle growth, tissue repair, and crucial brain development. Lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, lentils, and beans are fantastic sources. These help build strong bodies and sharp minds, supporting their rapid physical and cognitive leaps. Healthy fats are vital for brain development and nutrient absorption. Avocados, olive oil, and nut butters, if no allergies, are excellent choices. These fats are not just energy-dense, they play a critical role in nerve development and overall brain function, making them super important for growing toddlers. Fruits and vegetables are powerhouses of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They boost immunity, aid digestion, and introduce a rainbow of flavors and textures. Encourage a variety to ensure they get a broad spectrum of nutrients, making mealtime an exciting exploration of colors and tastes. Dairy or fortified alternatives provide calcium for strong bones and teeth, which are growing rapidly at this age. Milk, yogurt, and cheese are excellent options. If your child has dietary restrictions, ensure they get calcium from fortified plant-based milks or other calcium-rich foods. Remember, a 2-year-old's stomach is still quite small, so frequent meals are key. Aim for about 3 main meals and 2 healthy snacks daily. This approach keeps their energy levels stable and prevents them from getting overly hungry, which can lead to fussiness at meal times. Let's kickstart their day with a burst of energy and nutrition. Breakfast is truly the most important meal, setting the tone for their mood and activity levels. A good breakfast helps them focus on play and learning, giving them the best possible start. Banana oat pancakes, these are a true toddler favorite and so simple to make. Mash 1 ripe banana, whisk in 1 egg, and stir in 2 tablespoons of rolled oats. Cook small dollops on a nonstick pan until golden. They're soft, naturally sweet, and packed with sustained energy. You can even add a pinch of cinnamon for extra flavor. Vegetable upma or porridge, a warm, comforting bowl of semolina upma or a savory porridge is a fantastic option. Sauté finely diced vegetables like carrots, peas, and bell peppers with semolina or oats. It's a wonderful source of complex carbohydrates and hidden veggies, making it a nutritious and satisfying meal. Yogurt bowl extravaganza, plain, full-fat yogurt is a probiotic powerhouse for gut health. Top it with finely chopped fruits like mango, berries, or soft apple pieces. A sprinkle of chia seeds adds omega-3s and fiber. This colorful bowl is not only delicious but also incredibly versatile and easy to prepare. Scrambled eggs with toast fingers. Eggs are a complete protein source, perfect for growing bodies. Scramble an egg with a tiny bit of milk or cheese, and serve with whole wheat toast cut into easy-to-handle fingers. This encourages self-feeding and provides essential nutrients for brain development. Tip for success: while tempting, try to avoid sugary cereals. They can lead to a quick energy spike followed by an inevitable sugar crash, leaving your little one irritable and hungry again soon. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods to keep their energy steady and their mood bright. Lunch is a crucial opportunity to refuel and provide a balanced mix of nutrients for their afternoon adventures. It should be satisfying enough to keep them going without feeling too heavy. Let's make it delicious and nutritious. Rice with lentils, khichdi. This classic Indian dish is incredibly comforting, easy to digest, and highly nutritious. Cook rice and lentils together until soft, adding finely grated or diced vegetables like carrots, spinach, and peas. It's a complete meal in one pot, perfect for tiny tummies. Mini chapati rolls or wraps. Get creative with whole wheat chapatis or small tortillas. Spread a thin layer of mashed avocado, hummus, or even mashed hard-boiled egg. Add finely shredded cooked chicken or grated cheese, then roll them up and slice into bite-sized pinwheels. These are fantastic finger foods that encourage independence. Mash sweet potato with shredded chicken or tofu. Sweet potatoes are rich in fiber and vitamins, while shredded chicken or crumbled tofu provides excellent protein. This combination is incredibly satisfying and helps your child stay full and strong throughout the afternoon. A little sprinkle of herbs like parsley can add extra flavor. Pasta with hidden veggie sauce. Toddlers often love pasta. Cook small pasta shapes like orzo or ditalini and toss with a homemade sauce blended with pureed vegetables like zucchini, carrots, and tomatoes. This is a clever way to sneak in extra nutrients without them even noticing. Encouraging independence. Lunchtime is a wonderful opportunity to encourage self-feeding. Offer child-friendly utensils and let them explore their food. Yes, it might get a little messy, but this process is vital for developing fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and a positive relationship with food. Celebrate their efforts, not just the cleanliness. Snacks are not just fillers, they are mini meals that bridge the gap between main meals, preventing extreme hunger and meltdowns. They don't have to mean processed junk food. With a little planning, snacks can be just as nutritious as their main meals. Fruit kebabs, toddler-friendly. Cut soft fruits like watermelon, banana, papaya, or melon into small cubes. Thread them onto blunt, child-safe skewers or simply arrange them on a plate. This makes eating fruit fun and visually appealing, encouraging them to try different varieties. Homemade vegetable muffins. These are a lifesaver for busy parents. Bake muffins with grated carrots, zucchini, spinach, and a little cheese. They're portable, delicious, and a fantastic way to get those extra veggies in. Make a batch and freeze them for quick, healthy options. Boiled eggs or steamed corn, simple, yet packed with nutrients. A hard-boiled egg provides protein and choline for brain health. Steamed corn on the cob, cut into smaller pieces for safety, or off the cob is a sweet, fiber-rich treat that toddlers often adore. Cheese cubes or sticks, a great source of calcium and protein. Offer small cubes of mild cheese or cheese sticks for an easy, satisfying snack. Pair it with a few whole grain crackers for added crunch and fiber. Avocado slices with everything bagel seasoning, optional. Avocado is a healthy fat superstar. Offer soft slices or mash it slightly. For older toddlers, a tiny sprinkle of everything bagel seasoning, check for low sodium, can add an exciting flavor dimension. Hydration is key. Always offer water with snacks and throughout the day. Keep a sippy cup or small water bottle accessible. Avoid juice or soda, as they are high in sugar and offer little nutritional value, often displacing more nutritious options. Water is the best choice for their growing bodies. Dinner should be a comforting, lighter meal that helps your little one wind down for a peaceful night's sleep. Heavy or fried foods can upset their delicate tummies, so focus on easily digestible options that still pack a nutritional punch. Vegetable soup with rice or small pasta. A warm, smooth vegetable soup is incredibly comforting. Blend cooked vegetables like pumpkin, carrots, and sweet potatoes into a creamy soup. Serve with a side of soft cooked rice or tiny pasta shapes. It's hydrating and packed with vitamins. Mashed potatoes with flaked fish or tofu. Mashed potatoes are a classic comfort food. Pair them with gently flaked, boneless white fish, like cod or tilapia, or crumbled, sautéed tofu. This provides excellent protein and, in the case of fish, beneficial omega-3 fatty acids for brain health. Soft idlis or pancakes with steamed veggies. Idlis, steamed rice cakes, are incredibly soft and easy to chew and digest. Serve them with a mild lentil dip, sambar, or a dollop of yogurt. Alternatively, small, plain pancakes can be served with a side of lightly steamed broccoli florets or green beans. Chicken and vegetable stir-fry, toddler style. Use finely diced chicken breast and soft vegetables like bell peppers, zucchini, and snap peas. Cook quickly with a tiny bit of low-sodium soy sauce or a mild, homemade sauce. Serve with a small portion of brown rice or quinoa. Shepherd's pie with hidden veggies. A toddler-friendly version of shepherd's pie can be a hit. Use lean ground meat, beef or turkey, cooked with finely diced carrots, peas, and corn, topped with a creamy sweet potato or regular potato mash. It's a complete and satisfying meal. Mealtime rituals. Dinner is a wonderful time for family connection. Try to eat together, even if it's just for a short while. This models healthy eating habits and makes mealtime a positive, shared experience, fostering a sense of belonging and security for your little one. Eat together as a family. Toddlers are incredible imitators. When they see you and other family members enjoying a variety of foods, they're much more likely to try them too. Make mealtime a positive, shared experience, focusing on conversation and connection rather than just the food. Involve them in the process. Let your toddler help with age-appropriate tasks like washing vegetables, stirring ingredients, or setting the table. When they feel a sense of ownership over the meal, they're often more enthusiastic about eating it. It's a wonderful learning experience. The exposure, not pressure rule. Offer new foods repeatedly, even if they're initially rejected. It can take 10 to 15 exposures for a child to accept a new food. Never force feed. It can create negative associations with food. Simply offer, smile, and try again another day. Keep mealtime positive and stress-free. Be patient and consistent. This phase requires immense patience. Don't give up. Continue to offer a variety of healthy foods, even if they're not eaten. Your consistency sends a clear message about healthy eating habits. Remember, you're guiding them towards a lifetime of good choices. We know you're juggling a million things, so let's talk about making mealtime easier and less stressful. Smart meal planning and a few time-saving tricks can transform your kitchen routine, giving you more precious moments with your little one. Weekly meal planning. Dedicate a short time each week to plan out your toddler's meals and snacks. This helps you shop efficiently, reduces food waste, and ensures a balanced diet. Having a plan minimizes last-minute stress and unhealthy choices. Batch cooking. Cook larger quantities of staples like brown rice, quinoa, or roasted vegetables. Prepare a big batch of vegetable puree or shredded chicken that can be used in multiple meals throughout the week. This saves significant time on busy weekdays. Freezer-friendly meals. Many toddler-friendly meals freeze beautifully. Think homemade muffins, mini meatballs, or portions of soup. Prepare these in advance and freeze them in individual servings for quick, healthy options on demand. Deconstructed meals. Sometimes, toddlers prefer their food separated. Instead of mixing everything, offer components of a meal individually: a small pile of rice, a few pieces of chicken, and some steamed broccoli florets. This gives them control and encourages exploration. Embrace simple ingredients. You don't need fancy recipes. Focus on fresh, whole ingredients prepared simply. Steamed vegetables, plain yogurt, fresh fruit, and lean proteins are often the most nutritious and appealing to toddlers. Simplicity is often key to success. Involve the family. If possible, try to cook one meal that can be adapted for the whole family. For example, make a mild curry or stew, and serve a toddler portion before adding extra spices for the adults. This saves time and encourages family meals. And there you have it, amazing parents. You are their first and most important teacher, and your efforts in the kitchen are shaping their relationship with food. Celebrate the small victories, be kind to yourself on challenging days, and know that you are providing the very best for your little explorer. Keep that encouraging spirit alive. If you found these ideas helpful, inspiring, or simply reassuring, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to Healthy Baby Happy Mama for more parenting wisdom, and share it with other parents who might need a little boost. Let's build a community of supported, confident caregivers together. We'll see you next time, ready to tackle another wonderful aspect of parenting.